Okay, in today's video, we're gonna analyze one of your swings that you sent in. We're gonna go through it, get you all fixed up right now. Let's go. Okay, so Mike sent in his swing for me to analyze. Great job, Mike. And if you want me to analyze your swing and get you a video for you, and an analyzing video just for you, I will leave a link below for you to check that out, okay, if it's something you're into. But for now, I'm gonna show you what I did for Mike, and we're gonna walk through his issues and hear the drills for him that might help you also, all right? Let's get started. Okay, so Mike sent me his swing, and some information about him is he's been playing golf for a little over a year. Now, when you see a swing, you're probably not gonna believe it. I think he has a phenomenal swing for where he currently is in the game. I mean, he says he's shooting like 135, 136 a round, losing 20 balls per round. But he's got a great swing. We just got a couple things we need to tweak, okay? And, but then he did some of my drills, and then he's been practicing, and now he's down to like 119, 116. So great job, all right? Keep up the hard work. But now we're just gonna kind of refine what you need to work on, all right? So, first thing I do is I just plug in Mike's swing into my analyzer application, and I will show you, we're gonna look at his face on view, which is this angle here, okay? Now, what he's been doing, he's been doing the stick drill. So there's a number of stick drills. Now, Mike, you can see, Mike's setup, his hands are way forward. There's a number of reasons this could happen, okay? If you do the stick drill, and you're doing this drill, which is phenomenal drill for rotation, okay? But after you're done doing that drill, you gotta get your hands back here, just center. So what I did is I lined him up with Tiger Woods, and I just drew a line so he could see where he's setting up versus where Tiger sets up with a similar club, an iron, okay? We just want to be centered. But what do you do when you have a driver, all right? All right, here's your drill for setting up. You're just gonna take your club, because we want to be able to get those hands in the center. It's going to be much better for you, okay? So just put the club right in your belly button and grab it, okay? Then extend it out. That's your setup. Ball in the middle of your stance, then come down. That's how you set up, all right? Belly button, extend, right there. And here's your drill. Just hover that club above the ground a little bit. Just lift it up, okay? Belly button, grip, extend, come down, hover it above the ground, and you can take just a long chip shot. We're talking 30, 40 yard shot right here with the 7-iron. Okay, we want to work that over and over and over just to start getting the feeling for the setup. And Mike, what you do is you have a little forward press to start your swing. So we want to get rid of that because your hands are already forward, and then you come even more forward. So let's just get rid of the forward press and the forwardness, all right? That's why we're lifting the club off the ground. Belly, extend, down. Let's just lift it up right here, 3/4 swing, just to start getting that feeling down. Okay, that's gonna help your setup. And then when you get your driver, this was where we can get in trouble. I want you to do the same thing. Ball is off my left ear, okay? Right here. There's the ball, perfect. Okay, a lot of people just do this, don't do that, okay? Same thing. Center, hands, extend, down, okay? Now, it's too far back, I don't care. Just start here, hover the ball. Leave the club back there, now swing. Same drill, okay? There's no rule in golf that says you have to have that club does not have to be right up against the back of the ball at address. You don't have to do that. It's gonna get you in trouble right now. Okay, so ball off the left ear. It's right there, I'm good, okay? Center, extend, down. You could just tilt, little right tilt, boom. Okay, Leave that club everywhere it is. Club could be in the center of your stance, I don't care. Okay? That's where you're just gonna start. Hover. That's your drill for setup. We gotta get things a lot more center for you, Mike. It's really gonna pay off, okay? And then just take 3/4 swings because you have a lot of club head speed, so we don't need to work on that. That's all good. You're gonna be breaking 80 soon. That's for sure. With your swing, for sure, okay? Now let's go down the line view and see where we're at, okay? Okay, Mike, your swing down the line, if you notice, everything is solid. I mean, I really like what you got going on. You've got a lot of good things. I only want to pick on a couple things. The setup from the face-on view, all right? And then down the line view here is really good. But, you know, look, a lot of people might comment and make comments about all kinds of things you can work on, Mike. Just look, just one thing at a time, all right? Because you're gonna fix one thing and it's gonna fix a lot of other things, but you don't have much to fix, to be honest with you, all right? So, I just wanna see more hip rotation. And that will cure you losing your spine angle, all right? And because you stand up on the ball a little bit, and it's gonna affect your shots a lot, especially with your hands so far forward, all right? So that's why we wanna fix that first and foremost. So, you take it back, you're right up here, you're a little across the line, I don't care, that's fine, I do that, you're good, okay? And then you come down, yeah, you release early, don't worry about that just yet, that's not that important right now, okay? You're going to, we wanna get this butt out here. That will help you stay in your spine angle, if that butt releases out here, okay? So here's your drill, You come in here, hands, everything center, same center position, all right? Don't do this. Be right here in the center, okay? And I'm gonna link a drill up here for you as well about setting up to break 80. I want you to do that. You already do this position, but you're gonna practice the others just to help out so you can start feeling where you're at. So here, set up center, right? You're gonna start like this. You're gonna rotate that butt out here, okay? So all your cheeks are this way. Then just put this club in the center, in your sternum, in the center, right here, okay? And get down to it, here. Bend this elbow, keep it in. You're gonna feel a little cramped in here, but that's fine. Just rotate, and here's where you wanna be, and just do this. Okay? This is your setup. You're right here, you're bent, you're bending it over more. So if your setup is here, I want you here to start, okay? And that's your little drill. Okay, here's your setup, here's your impact. Setup, impact, bend over. And I want you to do a ton of those. And I want you to do those, Mike, with your short game. Chipping the ball around the greens, because you want to change your swing while working on your short game. So do that chipping the ball, little chip shots, just like that. It's really gonna give you the touch and feel you need, because with your swing speed, with the way you swing the golf club, you should be breaking 80. You should do it really soon. So it's just a short game that needs to work. So all these little changes, do them while you're chipping the ball. Little chip shots. So you're gonna get your wedges out. You're just gonna be around. In your yard is fine. Hit some balls into that lake of yours, all right? Come down, right here. Little chip shots, you really will develop that feel so much better while doing it with your chip shots. You're on the road to success. So Mike, there you go, just a couple drills to work on for now that are gonna make a huge difference in your swing. So if you want me to go through your swing, like I did with Mike, I sent him his own video of me talking through his swing, drawing the lines, doing everything, and really walking him through what he needs to work on. So if you want me to do that for you, there's a link below. So anyways, I hope you like this short little swing analysis video. It's the process I like to go through when looking at swings. So, thanks for watching. Hope it's helpful for you guys, all right? Mike, good luck. I want to know how you're doing, all right? Keep us posted. All right, man? Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. We'll see you next time. Peace. Dude, I'm looking at his swing. I just can't believe. I mean, it's ridiculous. 1 year, a little over a year. That's just no way. I'm just going back and forth. I'm like, I wish my swing looked like that after a year.